What is up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Man. Today, let me guide you on how you can compress your video without losing its quality. Okay, so first we are going to download a free video transcoder called Handbrake. Search up Handbrake on your Chrome and click on this one and download this. Then after that, open your Handbrake app, and here you can drag and drop the file you want to compress. Now that you have your file in the app, you want to click on Web Optimize here. Then go to the Video tab. We need to change the frame rate to same as source. Then set it to constant frame rate. Then over here, let's change the quality for 23 RF. On the optimized video over here, just hover the bar here to slow. Then on the bottom, click on Browse over here. Then select your location on your device that you want to save your compressed file. Input your file name and hit save. Then go back to the Handbrake app. On the top part, click on Start Encode over here. You can see the progress down here. Just wait for a moment until it's done. And there you have it. Well, that's it for today's video. For more videos like this, make sure to click subscribe. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time!